All right, it is, what is it? Monday, June 22nd, 2020. It is the first 5-gallon since I planted since earlier this season. Look, pull this out. I got more inside. So we're gonna, like I seen in videos on YouTube, we're gonna pull out all this soil. Find out what our yield is. Yeah. Look, potatoes. Potatoes. Look, whoa. Potatoes, honey. Wow. I'm getting the potatoes.
Wow, nice.
I'm getting all the potatoes out. Here, hold this. On my phone.
Ow.
You okay?
Hey.
Okay, look like it's still a little wet.
Yeah. Hey, quick.
Oh, look. Here, give me your phone. Look, all the potatoes.
Yeah.
Look, all the potatoes.
I like potatoes.
Yeah, potatoes.
Ow. Hey.
It's still wet, but it's okay. I wetted it last night.
Wow. Cool.
Look, baby potato.
Baby potato. Look.
You see this? More potatoes.
Uh-huh. A potato.
Look, baby potatoes. Now we're looking for the potatoes. See? Grab the potatoes. Okay? Then put them right there. Okay?
Okay.
See, like this. Look, we got the potato and put it right here. Okay?
Okay.
Here. Oh, look. This is done. This is no good. The garbage. Ew.
That one I need the better.
Look, we got more potatoes. We need to find the potatoes, okay?
Oh,
no, it's dirt. See? Dirt. Oh, look. See? That's the old potatoes.
yeah. Go.
If we find no more, if there's no more potatoes, then that's it, okay?
Go. 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 Go.
Uh-huh.
Go. Go.
Okay, remember, we're look. Garbage, okay? Okay. No, look. I think we're done. I don't see no more potatoes. Look, and then this is how much we harvested in 5 gallons. Addie, we got potatoes. Yeah. Look, another baby potato. Yeah, no more. That's it. Look, no more. Okay. 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 Ew. Okay, we're gonna clean our hands. Let's clean our hands. Here.